Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to go through our second um, signal sent on Bitcoin. And I'm happy to announce that we also hit some profits on this signal. And as you can see here on my dashboard or on my terminal, you can see that we actually made $1,525 trading Bitcoin on the last signal. But this is just with a half a lot size, and if you were trading one entire lot of Bitcoin, that would mean that you would have made $3,000 just this trade alone. Now let me drag and drop the trade on my chart, and as you can see, we entered the market quite late on the move up. And the main reason we entered the market quite late on the move up is because this. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, well, we were late on this rejection, but we had to wait for that reversal pattern to form on the chart for us to be able to buy Bitcoin at this level of support. And as you can see, well, sellers took price all the way down to the 35.85 level, but we found buyers, and this 4-hour candle was created with a huge wick to the downside, meaning that there were a lot of buyers here at this level, and sellers lost that fight to them. And well, you can see that we have a huge rejection, and then we have a big bullish 4-hour candle. Now, if we go to the 1-hour chart, I'm going to show you where our initial stop loss was. Well, our initial stop loss was just below the previous low. And the main reason it was below the previous low is because we were making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And when we broke with the previous high, meaning that we were going to be making higher highs, if price had broken with the previous low and made a lower low, it would mean that this up structure would no longer be valid, and we would have to well, be taken out on a loss on that trade. But as you can see, price came down to the previous low level and didn't hit it. Well, because our stop loss were not exactly at the previous low, we did leave a few ticks for a trade to develop. And well, if we put our stops right below the previous low, it would mean that our stops are too tight and we could have been ticked out by sellers or by buyers pushing price down and trying to buy at the best price for this rally. In any case, we didn't get stopped out because our stop loss are premiumly placed, and we hit our targets right here at this previous level of support. As you can see, there was this level of resistance that price had been struggling with before it drove all the way to the 35.86 level. But this is why we place our targets all the way up to the 42.10 level, is because well, I'm going to show you exactly right here. This is where buyers came into the market at the 42.10 level. Sellers were trying to bring price down, and buyers kept stepping into the market before they gave up and price hit the lows that we were talking about. So this was a great place to put our targets, and as you can see, our targets were all the way here. Take profit at 42.10, and we hit our targets to the tick before price, well, before sellers came into the market and drove price down for about 1,400, 1,500 ticks. So basically, we entered the market right at the right time, and we exited the market at the right time, and we made a healthy profit of around 3,100 ticks. And if you want to trade like us, you want to trade Bitcoins with us, well, join us at www.snipethetrade.com.